Welcome to the Omatic for Fundraise Up and Razer's Edge integration overview. Omatic has been solving nonprofit data ingestion and integration needs for over 20 years and has over 3,000 customers. We have over 100 individuals on our team, many coming from the nonprofit community as admins or parts of a development team. Omatic is Blackbaud's longest-standing technology integration partner. Omatic helps power your mission by integrating and unifying disconnected data into consistent and personalized supporter experiences. We're the best data integration solution for nonprofits because we understand how a supporter comes into your system, and we help get a full picture of your supporter data and journey. Omatic Cloud is built on 20 years experience in data integration and couples it with the most advanced secure cloud technology. It's an easy-to-use, intelligent data integration platform that supports CSV and Excel file formats, corrects data while en route, prevents duplicates, and frees up hours of staff time. Let's take a look at how Omatic integrates Fundraise Up transactions into Razer's Edge. We're now looking at my Excel file of transactions that I've downloaded from Fundraise Up. This is a very large file and it contains well over 100 columns of data. We're just looking at a few of those columns right now. A few items to point out. Some donor names are whispering to us, others are screaming in all caps. There's fund values here that don't correspond to the fund values in Razer's Edge. And there's fields not listed in this file, such as appeal and campaign, that I'd like to include on these GIFs. Lastly, I don't know if these are new records or existing in Razer's Edge. We're now going to go into Omatic Cloud and import these Fundraise Up transactions, and we'll see how Omatic cleans and transforms the data. This is my home screen in Omatic Cloud where I manage imports and integrations. I have a template formula set up for Fundraise Up. My formula includes where data is mapped between Razer's Edge and Fundraise Up, how to clean up that data, and record matching. To import Fundraise Up transactions, I can drag and drop my file onto the formula, or I can click and browse and select my file. Upon selecting the file and clicking on Open, the import process begins. The import runs in the background, and I can run multiple imports simultaneously, and I can also continue working inside of Razer's Edge while the import processes. Omatic Cloud enables importing and integration from any source or platform that can produce an Excel or CSV file. We're now in Razer's Edge NXT Gift Management looking at the batch created from my Fundraise Up file. Notice donor names are now proper cased. Also notice appeal and campaign values, even though this wasn't included in the Excel file. If I need to edit any of the gifts, I can click Edit to make any necessary changes. When I'm finished reviewing and making any edits, I can commit the batch by clicking the Approve button. After approving my batch in NXT Gift Management, I can view it within Database View. Web View batches are accessible by going into RE Database View, Batch, and selecting Web View Batches. For my approved batch in Database View, I can print or preview any of the batch reports, such as the Batch Validation Report. Here's an example of a very simple gift query in Database View filtering on my Fundraise Up batch, and I'm outputting just some basic gift fields. This is the back end of my Fundraise Up formula. This is where I map fields from Fundraise Up and choose where those data fields reside in Razer's Edge. This is a simple one-time field mapping exercise. It's as easy as selecting the field in Razer's Edge and then matching it to the appropriate field from Fundraise Up. I can clean up data from Fundraise Up before it's transferred into Razer's Edge. For example, if names from Fundraise Up were entered in all caps or lowercase, I can apply cleanup rules to proper case. I can also set telephone and postcode formatting. And in this example, I'm replacing the Fundraise Up public fund names, listed on the left, with the fund names stored in Razer's Edge, listed on the right. Omatic Cloud comes with the ability to utilize your organization's SFTP to automate imports on a daily or weekly basis. This is helpful if you receive Fundraise Up files via FTP. Omatic Cloud checks your FTP folder on a schedule, and if a file is present, it'll be downloaded and imported. Why does all of this matter? Omatic Cloud is a flexible and robust tool to integrate, map, clean, and synchronize Fundraise Up transactions with Razer's Edge. Omatic Cloud helps eliminate data silos and creates a single source of truth in your system of record. Timely and accurately integrated data means I can view up-to-date giving history in Razer's Edge and a full 360 view of supporters. I can confidently report to my CFO on campaign progress, and I can make strategic decisions on marketing efforts.